What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, as you probably know, Betty White sadly passed away on New Year's Eve. The actress would have been 100 years old today, but to celebrate her life and her legacy, I'm going to show you how to make her chicken wing recipe, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So instead of chicken wings, we're going to use cauliflower florets, and you'll need about 3 pounds, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of soy sauce, 3/4 cup of water, half a cup of vegan butter, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of dry mustard. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan Betty White cauliflower wings. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.